Maruti Suzuki Brezza owners have been experiencing frustrating issues with their vehicle's infotainment touchscreen systems. These problems affect daily driving experience and connectivity features. The infotainment system is a central hub for navigation, music, phone connectivity, and vehicle settings. When it malfunctions, it significantly impacts the driving experience. Users report four main categories of problems. First, complete system freezing, where the touchscreen becomes completely unresponsive and requires restarting the entire vehicle. Second, general unresponsiveness, where touches are not registered or there are significant delays in response to user input. Third, ghost touch problems, where the screen registers touches that never occurred, causing the system to select options or navigate menus without user input. Fourth, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity issues, where wireless connections drop after 15 to 20 minutes of use, disrupting navigation and music streaming. These issues primarily affect the Brezza ZXi model, but have also been reported in other Maruti Suzuki vehicles, including the Grand Vitara and Franx models. What makes these problems particularly frustrating is their persistence. Many owners report that service center attempts to fix the issues through software updates and factory resets provide only temporary relief, with problems returning shortly after. Understanding these common issues is the first step toward finding effective solutions. In the next section, we will explore specific troubleshooting steps that can help resolve these infotainment system problems. The first troubleshooting step is checking for software updates. Access your SmartPlay infotainment system settings or use the Maruti Suzuki SmartPlay mobile app to check for available updates. If software updates don't resolve the issue, try resetting the infotainment system to factory settings. This procedure can be found in your owner's manual or performed at a service center. For wired connections like Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, verify that your USB cable is properly connected and in good condition. A faulty cable can cause connectivity issues. Some systems offer touchscreen calibration in the settings. A common method involves touching the screen with 5 fingers simultaneously and holding for 10 to 15 seconds to enter calibration mode. As a temporary fix, some users have found success by tapping on the opposite side of the screen, aligned with the desired target. This can help when only part of the touchscreen is unresponsive. If all troubleshooting steps fail to resolve the issue, consult a Maruti Suzuki service center for professional diagnosis and repair. They have specialized tools and expertise to address complex infotainment problems.